In this video we are going to show you how to remove the speedometer cluster for LX470 2004 Lexus. The tools that you need is just Phillips screwdriver plus this dashboard removal tool. The first step, you bring the steering wheel all the way out and down, and then you turn the steering wheel all the way, or just one turn to the left. You can see the screw for the bracket around the, this is on the passenger side, and then there is a one all the way underneath the, right here. There's 3 Phillips screws. Once you get those 3 screws out, and then the first step, you just pop the dimmer switch cover, and then there is a one plug behind it. You just unplug that one, and these are the clips. And the next one, you pop up the steering wheel cover. And now you can see the 2 mounting screws for the speedometer cluster, one on the passenger side and one on the driver's side. And once you pull the cluster out, it would detach itself from the plug behind it. And here we go. And these are the plugs for the driver's side, and that's the plug for the passenger side. When you do the installation, what you do, you push these plugs all the way back into the holder, and then do the same thing for the passenger side. So when you install the cluster, the screws, the holes are matching the bolts, and then just tight the Phillips screws on both sides. Now we put the cluster back in. Yeah, when you put the cluster back in, just make sure it lines up like it was original before you removed it. It has to go all the way in and just sits tight just like it was before. And then with the regular screwdriver, you can just tighten the mounting screws. That's on the passenger side. And this is on the driver's side. And then you put the cover back for the steering wheel. You just have to line it up, and then you put the 2 screws back in there, and then you install back the dimmer switch cover. And if you need any repair for the cluster, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.